our next on-body routine is around the shoulder. This is a groovy move that I'm sure you would love. As always, once you're warmed up and ready, let's get started. Pick up your hoop, place it right behind your shoulders like this, right? In a horizontal plane. Then stand straight, roll your shoulders back, look up, and get ready to push the hoop to the left side. Drop your hands down from the left side. Make sure that you're holding the hoop still in a good horizontal plane, and then push it towards the left side. Let it take a few spins. Just observe how it feels, the touch point on the left side, right? Let's get started again. Keep the hoop on the chest again, just like this. Start with pushing the hoop to the left side. Place your hand closer to your thighs. You're just going to open your shoulders a little bit, like this. Elbows go out to the side and back, out to the side and back, out to the side and back. That's the body movement, all right? Let's get started. Making sure the hoop is touching the back. We are going to push the hoop from right hand towards the left side in one good horizontal plane. And let's focus on only the left side first, okay? So place your hands on the thighs and push it to the left, open your left side, just like this. It's very important that you're standing straight and not moving too much. So when you're pushing the hoop, don't go like this, okay? Don't try to do that. Try to keep a straight body posture, keep the hoop facing forward like this, and drop your hands to the side, push it, open, 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 right? So this is what you do on the left side. Now, once you get a good hold of doing this at least 4 times on the side, immediately you can start from the right side, right? So let's get started. Let me show you how. So you go. All I'm doing is opening my elbow side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. Maintaining a straight body posture, not leaning forward, because see, this is what happens when you do that, right? So try to keep a straight body posture again. Push it to the side. Go side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. Slowly opening the elbows to the side. Just like this. Yes, perfect. Make sure that you're not opening your elbows above at your shoulder level. Because see, I'll show you what happens. Once you do this, I just hit my face, right? That can happen to you too. So avoid doing that. Be very careful with your hoop. Also, I'll give you one cheat code, okay? It helps if you move in the direction where your hoop is moving as well while you're doing this. Let me show you. Look up, don't look down. Keep looking up, going side to side. You will be able to maintain a very good horizontal plane for this. Awesome, isn't it? So while hooping around your shoulder, if you push too hard, you could hit your face. You saw that, right? So take good care as you practice this one. Hope you're enjoying learning these on-body routines. I'll see you in the next video.